down past the ferry dock. The drone's down past the ferry. We'll put it on YouTube.
Look, it's a transparent train.
Right?
You can see right through it. And there's the end. The living end.